O. Bhaskar, the presently working as assistant professor in Gates Institute of Technology, Gutti. So today I will explain exception handling in Java programming language. In this concept I will explain what is the exception and then why exception occurs, and then what is exception handling and how to handle exception handling, that is exceptions, how to handle exceptions in Java. So then go to the first one is exception. Here exception means it is an event or abnormal condition. It is an event or abnormal condition that occurs during the execution of the program. Whenever the exception occurs in Java, then it disturbs the normal flow of the program. Then we need to maintain normal flow of the program. In the considering one program, this program it contains the number of statements, the statement 1, the statement 2, the statement 3, statement 4, statement 5, assuming 5 statements in the program. In case the exception occurs on the third line, then the remaining statements or rest of the program is not executed. But we need to maintain the normal flow of the program. So that's why we are using exception handling concept. Coming to another example, the class A and then public static void main and then string arguments, the open curly brace, the into space A equal to 2, B equivalent to 0 and then C semicolon, C equivalent to A by B, the system.out.println of C and then close. Here in this example we are using total 3 variables, A equivalent to 2, B equivalent to 0 and then C. And then the next line, the C equivalent to A by B, that is A value equal to 2 by B value equal to 0. Whenever we perform divisible by 0, then automatically the exception occurs on this line. Then automatically the rest of the program or remaining lines of the program is not executed. But we need to execute all the statement in the program. That's why we are using the exception handling concepts. So in several cases the exception occurs in Java. Whenever we perform divisible by 0, then exception occurs. And another one is whenever if you want to print outer of array index value, then automatically that is exception occurs in your Java programming language. Okay, so that is the simple examples, that is the divisible by 0. Whenever you perform divisible by 0, then automatically exception occurs in the Java. That is the simple example. So in the coming to the third one is what is the exception handling. So the exception handling, it is a mechanism. It is a mechanism. Okay, this mechanism that can be used to handle the exceptions. Handle the exceptions. So in Java programming language, we are using try and catch block statements to handle the exceptions. Okay, the try and catch. The try and then catch block statements to handle the exceptions in Java programming language. Okay, so and then here you must include the exception code in the try block. Okay, the catch block, it handles the exceptions. Okay, you must include the exception code in the try, and then the catch block to handle the exceptions in Java. Okay, in the considering the same example, that is the class A, and then public static void main and string arguments, and then open curly brace. Okay, and then here that is try block, open try, and then into place A equal to 2, B equal to 0, and then C semicolon, and then C equal to A by B. Okay, and then close. C equal to A by B, close. Okay, here we observe that the C equivalent to A by B, okay, that is divisible by 0, that is 2 by 0. Okay, whenever you perform divisible by 0, then automatically exception occurs on this line. So you must include exception code in the try block. In case if you want to handle the exceptions, then use the catch block. Okay, open the catch block statements, and then open curly brace, and then write the system.out.println of C, and then close. Here we observe that here in this program the system.out.println of C will execute in the program, but in above example the system.out.println of C is not executed, but in this line the system.out.println of C is executed, because the catch statement is handle the exceptions. Okay, the try means you must include the exception code in the try, the catch block to handle the exceptions. Okay, so in Java programming language we are using try and catch block statements to handle the exceptions. So that is the how to handle the exceptions in Java programming language. And then thank you to all for listening my concept. Thank you to all.